Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon. What is your name?
My name is Michelle Carvajal.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
What is your hometown?
I grew up in Santa Marta.
Where do you live?
I live in Santa Marta.
What is your marital status?
I am in a free union relationship.
What is your hobby?
I enjoy going to the beach. I live to cook and watch movies.
What is your profession?
I am a psychology, especially in occupational health and safety.
That about your working experience?
I have working with a chain of hostels as human resource for 4 years.
What is your academic background?
As an especially I student safely and health at work.
What are your personal qualities?
My personal qualities are respectful, keen, and empathic.
What are your skills and weaknesses?
I learn quickly, work as a team, and respect people. One of my weaknesses is that I am easily distracted.
What makes you the best candidate for the position?
Because I have completely with all the reference that and psychology, which and especially in occupational health and safety, should have to be in
What
share of human resource. I like to help and empathic. I am empathic.
What will we hear is we harm you.
They will have a responsible, honest person who cares about the welfare of their workers.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.